Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in Sofia, Bulgaria, and this is St. Nicholas, and it's the St. Nicholas Miracle Maker. But I think they might have a service going on, but we'll go in and take a look anyway. Why not, huh? Well, it's a full service, so let me show you the outside of it, which is pretty amazing. I gotta get farther away than this, so let me see, and maybe it'll end and I can get a better look inside. And I'm sure this is one of those ones that you can't film and all those things, but let's turn around and take a peek. I mean, it really is an amazing church. Yeah, staggering. And it's right on the yellow street. And I say yellow street because all the pavement, you see right there, it's got yellow bricks. Let me see if I can wait until these people leave, and then and then I'll go inside and see what I can do. Okay, bye.